Hi everyone, this is RK Verma Advanced Mathematics, and today we will be discussing a little bit more about the calculus, and in calculus most precisely the differential equations. So dear students, I just want to know what is differential equations. Okay, anyone here who knows more about differential equations? Anyone? So what is differential equation? Nothing. In any step from A to B, from any process A to B, we have a set of procedures in a mathematical manner that need to be processed. If an object is standing out here, okay, and is moving with certain velocity and stops at point B, he is carrying something called acceleration with him, some velocity with him, and some amount of work done with him. Okay, so the rate of change of the work done with respect to time, or the rate of change of energy from moving point A to point B with respect to the mass of the object can be defined in terms of differential equation. Okay, so it is very common and menial example of that. And if we write a function f of x like x square plus y square, okay, so here we can see x raised to the power 2 and y raised to the power 2. Here two variables are different and having same order, so second order differential equation, but they have coefficient having difference. The coefficient is 1 but the variables here are different. Okay, if we try to integrate this function with respect to x, dfx by dx. So what we going to go out and get here? This one, dx square plus y square by dx. And if we just integrate it, differentiate it, we are going to have something like this. Okay, suppose dfx by dx be z for a moment here. Okay, so z is what? 2x plus dy square by dx. Okay, so dy square by dx will be 2x minus z for an instance. So here you can see that we have a equation of differential equation in terms of y square. Okay, so since we know x square plus y square is equal to 1 is an equation of circle. Okay, simply if we put x equal to 0, we will be getting y is equal to 1 plus minus 1, that is y is plus 1 and minus 1 as an order pair, and same for x also, 1 and minus 1 respectively. So if we differentiate this function, letting it to be as 2y dy by dx, okay, is equal to 2y dy by dx, okay, is equal to 2x minus z. Okay, this has been already differentiated here, and we have this as 2y dy by dx. If I cross multiply that term, what I am going to get here? 2y times dy and 2x minus z times dx. Okay, now if I integrate it, 2y dy 2x minus z dx. Okay, taking 2 as common, we have y dy, that means y square by 2 into 2, and here what? 2 times x square by 2 minus integrand of z dx, and z dx is what? dfx by dx. So from here 2 has been cancelled. We get y square is equal to x square minus integration of dfx by dx into dx. This is what we are going to get. Now rearranging the terms here. After rearranging, we get x square minus y square is equal to the integrand portion, that is the integral of df of x by dx into dx. Okay. So here you can see that this term dfx by dx is showing this type of behavior. Okay. So if I put this one dx square plus y square dx in the place of here x square minus y square, what are you going to get? d of x square plus y square by dx into dx. Okay. So this is a form here, that is standard form. So whatever the equation might be, for example, if I take x value 1 here, okay, x value 1 and y value 0, so 1 is equal to d of x square plus y square by dx into dx is 1. Okay. So that means if there is a constant function in the LHS depicting the differential coefficient of x square plus y square as a function, as an equation of circle, and that must be multiplied as it to form the integrand, then we are mostly to get a constant function only. So it means what? That earlier it was x square plus y square as z. So 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to d z by dx. Okay, dz by dx. Have you understood? So dz by dx, if as written as, then what we are getting? The same quantity. That means another time we are just differentiating it. So the same quantity can be written for the same